Hello, Glow Squad. I hope that you are doing well, and I hope that you have been opening up my emails because the emails have been lit this week. But today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money in 2026. But this video is not going to be what you think. It's not going to be about trends, AI, or anything like that, but about setting up a system that is helping normal people create income online with a consistent strategy, and I like to call it the freedom framework. So, if that sounds good to you, stay till the end so you can hear all about it. This past week, I just shared the exact system on how to set up System.io with the same tools I use. So be sure to click the link in the description, join the email list if you're not on there yet. And if you're on my email list, make sure you are checking your inbox and applying the information. Before we get into it, let's just talk about the truth. What used to work online, like posting random affiliate links, drop shipping with zero brand, or chasing viral content, is dying. In 2026 isn't about who can hustle the hardest, it's about who can build systems that earn while they sleep. With AI, automation, and all in one tools like System.io, the playing field is changed. So the people winning right now are the ones who understand this. You don't need a new idea, you need a repeatable system. If you can automate your emails, your offers, and your content flow, then you can make consistent income online and even with a small audience. So that's the foundation of the Freedom Framework. And if you want to see the full setup that I personally use, then make sure that you join my email list. The link is in the description, and I'll walk you through how to build it step by step. Here's how the framework actually works in real life. Your first step is to create one simple offer. It could be a product, an affiliate offer, or a service that you already do. Number two, the second step is to build an automated system, a funnel that collects emails, delivers value, and then sells while you sleep. And then three, you want to drive consistent traffic with simple content that brings people into your system every day. And that's it. One offer, one system, and one traffic plan. System.io makes it insanely easy because it combines your email marketing, your automations, and your checkout pages all in one dashboard. So you don't need five tools, you just need one and a plan. So that's why I focus on helping people set up what I call their 10x freedom funnel. And it's a 6-day email sequence plus funnel combo that can turn 10 signups into $1,000 monthly income. Now it's time to get practical. How does this actually make money? So let's say you're promoting a tool like I do, like System.io. The starter plan is $170 for the annual plan, and you get a 60% commission. That's like $100 per sign up. Now imagine you build a system that brings in just 10 signups a month. That would be $1,000 a month or $12,000 a year from one system. And that's just one offer. So once you have the structure working, you can duplicate it with other digital products, coaching offers, or affiliate programs. So the system doesn't change. You just plug in different offers. And that's how people are going to win online in 2026 by focusing on automation, not addition. So I'll show you how to build this step by step. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a video. All right, I'm going to hold your hand when I say this, but most people fail at making money online not because they're lazy, but because they're scattered. They jump between trends, tools, tactics, never staying in one place long enough for the thing to actually work. So the Freedom Framework fixes that. It forces you to simplify one offer, one funnel, one focus. You stick with the results until they start compounding. I tell you, don't build five funnels. Just work on one. Stop chasing new followers. Nurture the ones you already have. Don't try every software. Learn a system deeply. System IO makes it so easy for you to build your entire business under one roof. And remember, I'm here to help you. So please leave a comment or just reply back to an email you get from me so we can get your system set up so you can be set up for success for 2026. Let's wrap this up. In 2026, the best way to make money online isn't about chasing hype, it's about building systems that last, systems that collect leads while you sleep, follow up automatically, and turn interest into income without your manual effort. That's what the Freedom Framework is about, creating freedom through automation. If this approach makes sense to you, then don't just leave inspired. I want you to take action by joining my email, and the link is below in the description. And I'll also have it in the pinned comment section. I can't wait to connect with you and start bringing your first month in passive income to life. It's free, it's simple, and it's built for 2026 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this helpful, then just drop a comment down below or an emoji and make sure you're subscribed. And I will see you in the next video. Be blessed and have a great day.